What's up, traders? It's time to talk. So let's talk. All right. So this video, I'll be starting something I'm hopeful that will help a lot of traders out there. Something I'm hopeful that whether you're a struggling trader, unprofitable trader, newbie trader, whatever level you are in Forex trading, I'm hoping that this series I will start today will help you a lot. So let me tell you about this series. So number one, every single time I go live, I always notice that people have a lot of questions, especially when I'm trading live on YouTube. Hundreds of people are joining. People just keep asking questions like, bro, the questions are endless, and I'm not always able to answer all these questions. So I'm starting this series today as an, I don't know what you call it, maybe Ask FX Daddy series, where I come on here and I just pick random questions from all our social media channels, TikTok, YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, and just try to provide solutions to people's questions. So this is more like an open mentorship, free for every one of you. So on the comment section of those videos, you can always drop, anytime you see this Ask Me series, you can drop any question at all. I'll pick randomly from Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, wherever, and I'll try to provide solutions to these questions. So today, let's kick off this series with a question I got when I was live earlier today. So this person asks, says, FX Daddy, I've not been profitable. This is my 1 year now. I've blown enough profit account. I really believe in you. How can I get rid of this? I can't tell you that I don't know trading. Now, that last part like really hits me because I understand. I was there where that point where you know that you know trading, bro. Like, you know that you know trading. When your favorite mentors, gurus, or financial experts are doing the analysis, you're already seeing what they are saying even before they are saying it. You know the trading. You can do the analysis. The analysis is not the problem. You know how trading works, but you're just not profitable. 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, you know what you're doing, but you're just not making any money. I've been there. Now, let me try to break this thing down for you to help you to get rid of this, especially if you're somebody like this guy asking this question and you're also there. Number one, you need to understand that making money in Forex trading obeys the general principles of wealth. It doesn't defile it. What I mean by that is the same principles of wealth you need to make money in a refinery, or maybe you're into oil and gas, you're into importation, you're into manufacturing, any form of business at all. The same principles of wealth that will get you from a nobody to a somebody in any industry is the same that applies even in Forex trading. Most times when people come to Forex trading, they kind of throw away every other principles of wealth, principles like hard work, determination, discipline, proper knowledge. They just throw it away. They just believe that Forex, you can just make it once you have the skill. No, making money in Forex trading is a combination of skill and personality. You need to have the skill, but the skill has to fit into your personality. It has to fit into your risk appetite. It has to fit into your schedule. It has to fit into your lifestyle, your belief system. Everything has to come in sync somehow for you to actually become profitable. So sometimes when you know trading, you just have the skill. The skill is not enough to make you a profitable trader. You need to understand money, how money works, how to make money, how to manage money, how to multiply money, because this is a business you're doing. Just because your business has to do with clicking buy, clicking sell, doesn't mean that it's not a business. It's a business regardless. The same principles you use, you need to apply in doing any other business. Let's say you're running a boutique, you're selling shoes or bags or wherever. The same principles of wealth you need to build that business is the same principles of wealth you need to build a proper Forex trading business. So that means that there are some time when you come to the market where the best thing you need to do for yourself is to not take any action. For instance, I always tell people that anytime you come to the chart and you don't know what to do, that means there's nothing to do. When you come to the chart, look at the analysis and you're confused, that means there's nothing for you to see. Because that's the same way it happens in business. For instance, let's say I'm selling bags or maybe shoes or luxury brands, and let's say I open the boutique for today and there's nobody to sell to, nobody comes into the shop. That doesn't mean I'll carry my bag and maybe get a bus, carry my shoes and my goods, go into the street to start giving them out just because nobody came to the shop to buy from me. Because that's what you're doing anytime you don't see a setup and you still want to enter a trade anyway because you didn't see a setup. It's just equivalent to me having a shop, Nobody came to my shop to buy. I just decided to load all my goods inside a bus, go to the streets and start sharing it just because nobody came to buy. So these are principles that are generic. You don't ignore principles like hard work, understanding, dedication, discipline just because you are a Forex trader. So sometimes that's usually the problem, where you know trading, but you don't know the business of trading. You don't understand that it's not every time that it's good to take risk. There are some seasons in the market where it is okay to take risks. There are also seasons in the market where you shouldn't be taking risk. For instance, after Donald Trump won the election, I was I was all in. All my trades, I was blowing up the lot size because I know the market was trending. Doing trending markets, of course, take the risk because the market is trending. But once the market goes into a ranging mode, that's not the time to start taking risk. That's not the time to start blowing up the lot size. You need to understand that the market changes. Seasons come and go. Seasons change in the market. Sometimes the market is trending. Sometimes the market is ranging for months, sometimes weeks. So during the time when the market is trending, that's the time to take the best of your risk. Don't take the best of your risk when the market is ranging. You'll most likely lose money. So for somebody like this guy asking this question, you know trading but you're losing money, this might just be the problem. You've not been able to sync your skill with your personality. Second, you also need to do is to understand in understanding personality is to also take note of your risk appetite. We all have different risk appetites by default. There are some people that just love risk. They are just naturally risk takers. There's nothing, they just love risk. I remember when I started trading, there was this guy I also introduced to trading. We were both newbies at the time. Then I was trading with my pocket money, just little money here and there, $50, $100, $200. This guy funded $3,000, lost it. I felt so much pain for him, but he was fine. Like, I almost was depressed because I was managing the account before he took it away from my hand. I started to manage it himself, blew it under 12 hours, and he was fine. He was like very good, didn't bother, funded another 3,000 or 5,000 or so the following week, and the guy was good, no issues. I mean, he didn't have any sleepless night, but I mean, I felt so bad when he lost that money. So we all have naturally very different risk appetites. I'm more of a risk averse, at least at this stage of my trading, where I'm running a company. I have tens of people that I pay bills for, that are under our payroll, pay salaries and all. I'm very risk averse. So I might not be able to take all the risk in the world because of the kind of brand I'm trying to build, the number of businesses I'm trying to build, the money I make from Forex trading. So I always tell my mentees and the people I teach trading that you can copy my style of trading, copy my approach, but don't copy my risk appetite, because we might just be different. So understand your risk appetite, understand your the seasons of the market trending, and also understand the business behind trading. Treat Forex as a business. So having understood these 3 tips, I believe this will really help your trading. You're somebody who understands trading, but you're not yet profitable. Number 1, let me just do a quick recap. Understand the business, understand how money works, okay? Number 2, understand the seasons, the times in the market. It's not every day that you should be taking risk. Number 3, understand your personality. Number 4, understand your risk appetite. Make sure that at the end of the day, your personality syncs up perfectly with your skill for you to become a profitable trader. So don't just go ahead, copy traders, copy how they do their stuff. It should also fit into your lifestyle, it should fit into your ideologies, your the way you build your belief system generally. It will help you a lot. So hopefully this helps. If you have more questions about Forex trading, feel free to drop them in the comment section. I'll pick random questions and I'll answer these questions on subsequent series. Hopefully that this helps you guys. All right, so that's it. Ciao. See you on the next series. Bye.